Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 279. Let's get started. To fix the error, you need to clear Roblox's cache files from your browser. To do that, you need to open your browser and click the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Then, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, select Privacy and Security from the left panel. Click on Third-Party Cookies, then choose See All Site Data and Permissions. Now type Roblox into the search bar. Once it appears, click the trash icon next to it, then confirm by clicking Delete. That clears the Roblox cache from your browser. After that, try launching the game again to see if the issue is gone. I hope these solutions helped you fix Roblox error code 279. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.